Alright, so welcome back for a quick tech updates for the upcoming WordPress 3.5 version. But basically, they have released the WordPress 3.5 Beta 2 version. So I have installed it on my local host and tested it out, and look what are the changes that they have made. And basically, the first that I have noticed is on the dashboard. You will see that the welcome screen is much simplified, not like before that it has images. But I'm not sure if this will be the final look because I think it's still like uh, CSS styling here. But as you can see, there's a quick links going to things that you need to know basically and to customize your site. So that's on the dashboard, and also you see on the quick press there's a new beta media button. But basically, this beta media button is a new feature on the new post or in any post that you're going to create. So let's check the beta media, and I'll be clicking this one, beta media. As you can see, it's a new interface on the WordPress 3.5, which is a drag and drop, still drag and drop files. So as you can see, when I hover on this, there's some quick transitions there. And here, when I drag this one, a dummy image, so test caption. So this is the description of that image, so you can easily add description now on that image. So let's try to insert first a single image there, insert, then update. As you can see, it has a shadow and some light rounded corners there as a default. And also, as you can notice that they are using now the 2012 theme, but basically they've announced it that they will release it on December, but I think they've released it earlier this month. So going back to the dashboard and all posts and the hello world, and now as you can see, we'll add another one, which is the gallery. So I'll select multiple images here, create a new gallery, and here when you can click that, all the things that you have selected, or all the images that you have selected will be here, and you can just select this one if you don't want to this one to be added on the gallery. Now let's try to insert it on the post, and let's update it, and again let's view it. And here as you can see, the basic gallery is still working there, but let's see if this edit is working. Oh, there, it's working. So once I've clicked edit, you can now edit the images. But basically, I'm not sure if this is the final version because I think they need to apply the edit the size of that image, because I usually use that feature. Let's see if this is editable. So as you can see, I think it's on the gallery feature, but they have not yet implemented here on the single image, which is they also need to add an edit button here, which is before here on the 3.4.2. As you can see, there's an edit image there and some close. So they need to, I think they're still on the developing stage there. Alright, so also you will notice that the visual text editor is much sleeker and much simpler design, which is I really like, because you will just see the boxes when you hover the images. So there. And also, as you can see, the buttons on the 3.4.2 is rounded, much rounded corners. But here on the 3.5, they've changed it to slight rounded corners. So here, let's try to add a featured image. Oh, so there. So when I click it now, you don't have to click the add feature, so you can easily now click that. But basically, I'm still looking forward for some enhancement here, because when I click it, I'm not sure if they will have the button that I can set it as a featured image, or I can edit that image if I want that to be on full screen, a thumbnail, a small media, and other things added on the plugin, which is on the add new. So let's just leave this page. Here there's a new button here called favorites. So when you click that, you need to log in your username on the wordpress.org. So if you're a user there, if you have clicked the favorite button on any of the plugins that you have applied there, you will easily see that all here. So basically I have just favorite the Facebook again, so I've installed it and easily I have accessed that without going to the actual search of the Facebook. So I think I'll need to have more favorites plugins on my WordPress.org ID. So I think that's a cool feature. Because all right, so I think that's the features that I have noticed or they have told on the beta test 2, and some other features that I think that I can show here because it's on mobile accessibility and other stuffs. But I think that's the things that you'll be looking forward on the upcoming WordPress 3.5. So hopefully this will be a great 3.5 version. Alright, so see you on my next screencast.